guys, welcome back to my channel and to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a WW ambassador unboxing. So for those of you that aren't aware, I am a WW ambassador, which means that from time to time they send me stuff over to try to share with you guys, and also I have a code that I can use that you guys get money off your subscription if you're thinking about signing up to WW. And yeah, I've been affiliated with them now for well over a year. You guys know how much I love them, how much the whole thing has pretty much changed my life and my perspective on food, my perspective on my health, my eating habits, and I just love them. So I will put any information I have that I think you might find useful in the description box down below. But this today is going to be my ambassador unboxing. So I get sent these every month to every other month. So they're just generally full of snacks, foodie bits, home bits, things that I might enjoy to share with you guys. And this box is a particularly good one, and it's been a long time coming and it's been a long time in the making, so I thought I would share it because there's some really fab pieces and fab snacks in here as well. So the first thing I'm going to start with is the thing that caught my eye the first, and it's the cookies and cream biscuits. So these are meant to be really similar to Oreo biscuits because they're like that dark chocolate with the cream sandwich bit in the middle. They look delicious, and the great thing about these is they now come with all the values for each plan. So whether you're on a blue, a green or a purple, it tells you how many points these would cost you on your daily allowance. So for each plan, these are all 1 point per biscuit, which I think is incredible. So if we just wanted to snuggle up with 2 to 3 with a brew in the afternoon, this is such a treat, and an Oreo would cost you much more than that. So I'm very happy to have these, cannot wait to try them, very excited to have those in my life. The next thing I have is some milk chocolate cereal bars. These are ideal for the mornings, they're ideal for when I want to get out the door and go a cereal bar, or if I'm not quite sure what I fancy but I want something sweet, or even for just an afternoon snack. And these are again the milk chocolate cereal bars, and they're kind of like a Cocoa Pop crispy treat. And these are delicious. I've actually had these before, and these are 2 points per bar, which I think is absolutely incredible because they are not small. So the fact that they only take up 2 points of your dailies, I think is amazing. They're just like a standard size, and yeah, I really like them. So those are a fantastic option for breakfast on the go, especially if you're commuting now to and from work. The next thing I have is a protein mint crunch bar. Again, I've had these before, they're really delicious. If you like mint, you will love these. 2 points per serving. I'm going to show you this all up close as well. The next thing I have is the salt and pepper crackers. Now we have movie night every single Saturday night, and I often get asked about snacks. I often get asked about what do I sit and munch on, and 9 times out of 10 it tends to be crackers or crisps or nuts and things like that. So to have these that are a bit more friendly, or a lot more friendly when it comes to point value, is fantastic. These are 3 points per portion on all 3 plans, and I'm excited to try those. I think I'll eat them with cheese because I love crackers and cheese. The next thing I have, speaking of nuts, I have 2 actually that are quite similar when it comes to nuts, I think. Let me just check. Are these ones? Yeah, I think these are the ones. These are peanut curls. I've not tried these before, so again, I'm very excited. And it is actually movie night tonight, so I'll be enjoying these when everyone else has their peanuts, their crackers, their snacks, whatever they might have. I might curl up with some of these and maybe some chocolate. These are 2 points for all 3 plans, which is absolutely ideal. And they're like little crisps, but they're like little curly crisps, like What's It, but they're peanut flavoured. I haven't tried them, but they look delicious. And then the next thing I have that is kind of nutty are these little packets of nuts. Now these are fava beans and they're lightly salted. I've had these before and I really, really like them. Again, ideal for the evenings if you want a bit of a snack, ideal for if you're going and watching a movie at a friend's, or if you just want something to nibble on the train or on your commute. These are fantastic, and again, only 2 points per packet, which I think is great because again, they're really filling, they're just lovely to have, and they feel a bit more like a treat. So perhaps you're having a beer on a Saturday night and you want some nuts to go with it, something that gets a bit friendlier in regards to your point value is a fantastic idea. So I love these, and they taste delicious as well. Again, I've had them before, so I can definitely vouch for those. The next thing I have are these strawberry Leo bites or Lio bites. I'm not quite sure how you pronounce these, but they're 1 of your 5 a day. They're vegan, they're gluten free, no added sugar, and they're basically dried fruit crisps, which I've never tried before. These are only 27 calories per bag. I can't tell you what that means in point value, but I'm guessing they will come up on the scanner. Someone will have scanned them somewhere. But I mean, 27 calories is nothing anyway. But apparently there's great taste, and these again are the strawberry flavoured ones. Oh my god, I'm getting so tongue-tied today, I can't even speak. The next thing, I am so happy to have these in my life again. I've had them before, one of my favourites, but every time I go to the supermarket, I can never find them. They're always sold out, and it's the hazelnut chocolate sticks. I love dipping these in my latte in the afternoon. I love dipping them in my cups of tea. They're like wafer thin strip, like straws. They're just delicious. Honestly, they're so nice. So in regards to point value, these are about 2 points per stick. Yeah, 2 points per stick, and they are delicious, and you get 10 sticks in each pack. The next thing I have is another pack of the Leo bites. Again, not too sure of the pronunciation of that, but this is the banana flavour, and this is 50 calories per pack. I'm guessing that's because banana is a bit more calorific than strawberry. So yeah, again, gluten-free, vegan, no added sugar, and they're banana flavoured dry crisps, which will be interesting. I don't really eat a ton of banana when it comes to savoury. I just tend to eat bananas as they are. I'm not overly a fan of banana bread or banana cake, so we'll see how I get on with those. The next thing I have is a protein cheese and chili cracker. These are just great for a little snack, a bit of a pick-me-up during the day if you're feeling the hunger bug, the snacking bug. And yeah, I've not tried this flavour before, so I'll be excited to see what that tastes like. The next thing are these protein coconut chocolate yogurt wafer bars. I want to say I've had these before, but I'm not too sure. Maybe I've had one that are a similar range, like a similar launch, but not this particular flavour. I'm trying to, these are 2 points on each plan, and they're just these little wafer yogurt bars, and I have 4 of those. Definitely I will be enjoying those because I love coconut, and if you infuse coconut with chocolate, I'm basically on board. The next thing I have is one of the Belgian milk chocolate bars. I've had these before, they are delicious, really good quality chocolate. 3 points per plan, so I mean, not the lowest when it comes to a little bit of chocolate, but sometimes you've got to spend those points and you have to have that hit, and these are delicious. And the next thing I have is another cereal bar, and this is the dark chocolate and berry. Haven't tried this, but I love dark chocolate and I love berries, so I'm thinking I will really enjoy these. These are 2 points again on each plan, which I think is so great for breakfast. I mean, it's so convenient as well. No artificial sugar, rich in fibre, so it keeps you regular, and yeah, excited to try those. And then the final foodie bit is this lentil curry. So WW have launched these little snacker pots. I've had these before. I think I've had a chili before, and I've had a curry. I might even have had this flavour, and I remember really enjoying it. And they're just ideal for lunch. This is 2 smart points per serving, and it's just a lentil curry, and it's very substantial, very thick, very flavourful, and it's just ideal for when you want something but you're feeling lazy, you don't want to prepare it yourself, but you want something quite nourishing. Again, this is lentils, there's no artificial colourings, the flavour is great, and yeah, I'm excited to have that as well. So that is all the foodie bits. I'm going to move on now to the other things. The first thing I have is a cookbook. This is the Zero Heroes cookbook. I'm a big fan of a cookbook, as you guys know. I actually own majority of the WW cookbooks, and this one looks fantastic. Full of flavours, full of different recipes, like the satay vegetable noodles. How is that a zero hero? That is insane. But yeah, these are all recipes that include many zero heroes, so it's going to be a very point friendly book, and even if they do have point values to them, it'll be very minimal. But there's desserts in here, there's main dishes, there is lunches, dinners, crispy chicken. It looks amazing. Again, I'll link this book down below in case any of you guys are interested. We also have the magazine, which I'm excited to have a flip through. I love sitting and flipping through this magazine of an evening, just when I'm sat chilling out. A few faces in there that I recognise as well, which is always nice. So yeah, this is the WW magazine that I'll be having a little bit of a look through. Oh, this has managed to escape me. It's another bag of the low bite crisps. I want to say low bite bars, but they're not, they're crisps, and this is the apple flavour. So again, super interested to see how those turn out. And then the final few things are WW are basically launching a campaign to get us moving more, to get us more active, to get us moving together in friendship groups and Zooms and on virtual world as well. We're all trying to move that little bit more, and it's not as easy to go to the gym anymore. It's not as easy to just go and join a class, so everything is online right now or in your own home. So I think they want to promote the moving more, getting moving, getting active. So I have a few things that coincide with that campaign. The first of which is a little gym bag, which is going to be ideal for me keeping stuff in, and it just has WW on there as well, so a nice little drawstring bag for me to keep my stuff in. Next thing they've sent is a t-shirt. Now granted, this is the size large, I'm a size 6 to 8 by the way, so this is definitely going to be a nighttime t-shirt for me, but it looks so comfortable, and it says move more with WW. WW got you on the back, hashtag. So yeah, that's all to do with their Get Moving campaign. To be fair, they did message me and ask me what size I wanted, and I didn't get back to them in time, so we all got the large if we didn't respond. So I'm happy to have that. I always like a comfy bed t-shirt, so it's nice and soft as well, so I'll definitely be using that. And then the final thing I've been sent is this lovely towel, which actually is really soft, and you have this embroidered WW badge on the bottom as well. This is just going to be ideal as a little face towel for the gym when I can go back to the gym. I mean, I'm not a part of a gym anyway, guys. Sometimes I'll go for like a spa day and I'll just go and sit in the hot tub for the day and relax, but it's nice to have little face towels and little hand towels to take with you, and this one's quite unique. I don't think many people will be walking around with one of these, so I'll make sure that my towel doesn't get confused with anyone else's. But that is everything in my WW ambassador box. If you would like me to do these every time I get them, give this a thumbs up. It's just a great way to share snacks with you that are on the shelves, things that you can look out for, and of course you're bound to see these in What I Eat in a Days and want to know where you can get them and what the point value is and everything like that. So I just thought it'd be great to share. If you do want me to continue doing these every time they arrive, give this a thumbs up and comment down below so that I know. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you've seen something that you want to go on to and enjoy. And again, of course, thank you to WW for always being so lovely and spoiling me with wonderful boxes such as this. But yes, I'm gonna love you and leave you here, but thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.